To me, beauty is kindness. I feel like kindness radiates from the inside out, and it just makes you beautiful all around. My name is Ashley Brooke, and I am a fashion content creator and entrepreneur. I created my online magazine, Life by Her, to really provide a safe place for women to come and talk about fashion and just life in general. Sometimes my days can get a little crazy. Sometimes I go from meeting to meeting, and then without a makeup check, I'm shooting outside. So I need a makeup that's going to last, and Revlon's ColorStay makeup is life-proof. I grew up in a really small town in Texas called DeLeon. I'm talking like 2 red lights and a football field. It's the kind of town where everybody knows everybody. It kind of shaped who I am to be humble and kind and generous, because that's just the kind of people that I grew up with in that town. As a young kid, I was definitely a tomboy. And when I was in middle school, I came across my first fashion magazine. Here I am in a sweatshirt and jeans, and I was just mesmerized by the different fabrics. Just loved the textures and the color and the prints that were kind of thrown together in one outfit. I just thought, I want to dress like that. And that's really when I fell in love with fashion for the first time. My first trip to New York, I was in high school, and my grandmother, she took me. I think she wanted me to know that there was a bigger world out there, because I think that is important for someone growing up in a smaller town to see what is out there. So I was on track to having a normal Texas life. I was going to college, my degree was kinesiology, I was going to be a physical therapist, but 2 years into college, I said, this isn't really what I want to do. I feel like this is what I'm supposed to be doing. I said, that's it, I'm putting my foot down. I'm moving to New York after college to pursue a career in fashion. I knew I wanted to be in the fashion industry, but I was so naive. If you don't have experience on your resume, I'm going up against girls who have had internships, have gone to fashion school, and here I am with a degree in kinesiology, and no one's gonna take that seriously. I had like 3 jobs at one time. I just didn't know where I fit in, really. I created my channel kind of at the drop of a hat. I kept getting questions about how I curled my hair. So I decided to sit on my living room floor, turn the camera on, did a hair tutorial, and that's just kind of how it started. I create mostly fashion content, but I do lifestyle vlogging as well, just to kind of show viewers what life is like in New York. I started filming makeup tutorials because in my other videos, people would say, what's your makeup look? What are you wearing? And I always just had the assumption that in order to put makeup videos out there, you had to be a makeup artist. And I realized quickly that that's not the case at all. I think makeup, just like fashion, is a form of expression. If I get a fun new eyeshadow, and I want to find an outfit that kind of matches that eyeshadow. If I'm feeling a little bit edgy and dark, I feel like your makeup stands out just as much as your outfit does. The makeup you wear on your face and the clothes you put on your body kind of represent who you are for the day and kind of the mood that you're putting out. And to me, there's nothing more empowering than that. Now I'm kind of at a point where I have this really amazing platform to inspire women supporting other women. And my favorite is when I get messages from viewers and they say, because of you, I changed my career, or I moved cities, I moved to New York because of you, or I asked for a promotion. When people see you making bold choices, it's contagious. Don't be afraid to pursue your passion. It may not happen overnight, you're going to have to work for it, but if you work hard, your dreams will come true.